Hiya, it's Nick from Jordanbikes, and today I'm here to show you this Kawasaki Z800 full power. We're filming this in high definition, so if you want to watch in HD, press that button. Whether you're watching on Facebook or YouTube, you can watch it in HD. So this one's just come in. It's a 2015 15 plate. As I say, it's the full power one, not the mamby-pamby E model. It has done 9,538 miles. It's got a radiator guard on it, some billet levers, an SP Engineering exhaust and decat. It's got a tail tidy on there as well. Nice bike overall. Really good fun bike to ride these, decent power, much more than just a 600, but they're a lighter option than a 1000cc to ride, so they are popular because they're such an easy bike to ride. Just zoom in here if you would, Mr. Cameraman. There's just a couple of little marks on it with nothing to hide. It is a second-hand bike, just got a couple of little marks on it. It's not perfect, but it is a really clean bike overall. You know what we sell, but if it has got a mark, we'll always be honest with you. 9,538 miles. Rev counter in the middle there, and your speedometer there, and your fuel gauge.
This one's the ABS model as well.
This one is the ABS model, I'm just being prompted to say as well. Let me just start it up so you can have a quick listen. Very nice. It's got a baffle in there as well, so you can take that out if you want it to be ridiculously loud. Anyway, one last thing, it is lowered as well. It's got the lowered dog bones on the suspension. We've got the standard height ones as well, so if you do want it back to normal, we can lift it, but it might suit you if you've got short legs. There you go. Give us a shout if you fancy it. You know where we are. Thank you. Hi, I'm Nick, and thank you for watching the video. Just to let you know, the bike you've just seen will go through our workshop with a fine-tooth comb, and we will put a 3-month parts and labour warranty on it. We're so confident it's a good bike that we're happy to extend that for 1, 2 or even 3 years. We also offer finance and PCP on all our bikes subject to status, and the PCPs are on bikes up to 4 years old. So if you like it, give us a call and get it bought before somebody else does. Thank you. Cheers.